Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this handheld coffee blender or whisk blender, you can say. This is USB rechargeable. We'll see the detailed packaging and what are the box contents and everything. Let us go into the full unboxing video. See, this is the box which the user got from the Flipkart. Okay, to prepare foam like texture coffee at home, you can use this hand blender, which is portable. You can carry. The main advantage is this is rechargeable, froth in 30 seconds, whisper quiet operation, and easy to carry. Means people who wants to make coffee at office or while you're traveling also, you can carry this, and long lasting power. That too, this is battery operated, so once you fully charge, you can use this for like around 2 to 3 weeks, or it is mentioned like 30 days, but yeah, 2 to 3 weeks you can use. USB type C port. Okay, 304 stainless steel. Actually the whisk which rotates in 3-speed modes is actually 304 stainless steel material. Okay, the brand is Bestlife wireless hand blender. Okay, and this is the user manual showing you how you can use this product. Okay, and this is the handheld battery operated whisker or hand blender, you can say. There is the power on button. Just you need to push the button, and there are 3 speeds. When I'm just pressing this, the speeds are getting changed, and those are indicated with a blue indicator light, which is a good thing. See, here you need to install that actual whisker, which is of stainless steel. This is the USB type C port. Charging, maybe you can just plug into your phone adapter and just charge it. Okay, yeah, this is the 304 stainless steel. And in the upcoming videos, in the next video, what I'll do is I'll try to make a coffee using this hand blender, and I'll practically show you how it is exactly working, and I'll try the 3 speeds also. The 3 speeds also I'll try, and I'll try to make coffee with this. This is hand blender with beating, it works. Okay, this is USB electric frother with 3 speeds. Okay, one of the good kitchen essential, you can say. The main advantage is you can carry it easily, and this is almost like a pocket size. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. This is where I just installed and operated. Yeah, I need to test it practically. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.